Welcome, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss about the banks and the banking. May you all have account in the banks. Definitely you get scholarship. So you must have account in your banks because today online disbursal is compulsory for the scholarship. So what is bank? The bank is an financial institution which is established by the rules of the RBI and it is licensed to receive deposits and make loans. Hmm. So the standard definition of banks, there are many definition of banks. A bank is a financial institution which is licensed to receive deposit and make loans. Bank may also provide financial services like wealth management, currency exchange, safe deposit boxes. You all know it's a locker, ATM services, checkbook services, online banking facilities, car loan, home loan, etc. etc. Many there are many services which is provided by bank. The main thing, the functions of bank. There are two types of function, that is primary functions and secondary functions. When bank accepting deposits from their customer, it is the primary function of bank. Accepting deposit, bank accepting deposits in many ways in many accounts like current account, fixed account, recurring deposit accounts, and so and so. The second primary function of the bank is the granting loans and advances. As you all know, it is the income source of bank. Bank grant loans and advances from the deposit collected throughout the people of the nations. And the secondary function of banks, when bank functions like a agent of their customers for collecting money, for sending money, or any other functions on behalf of the customer, then it is the secondary function of banks. And many utility functions like bank provides ATM facility, locker facility, loan facility to their customers, bank overdraft facility to their customers, ATM facility for their customers. Then it is all knows the utility, known as the utility functions of the bank. Okay, thank you. Welcome back, my dear friends. In last lecture, we have discussed about the banking and the function of banking. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the role of banking. The first important role of banking is the capital creation or the formation of capital. Bank collect deposits from the people and it is utilized as a capital for the nation, for businesses, for develop the industries, for farmers, for the governments, for infrastructure development, and many more purpose. Then another important role of the bank, that is the creation of credit. Bank create credit from their transactions like accepting deposit and granting loans, and it is important for the businesses to deal with the peoples, with the suppliers. And another important role of the bank, it is the channelizing the funds to productive investment, because bank attract people to save their money, their funds in the bank, and bank utilize it for the production. So any productive investment can be done by this collecting deposits. And fuller utilization of resources, bank use this capital for the utilization of resources by granting the loan and advances. Some of the important role you can see on the screen, that is increasing right type of industries. Bank encourage the industries by granting them loans. Some government also provides some facilities, some grants for the encouraging industries by the bank. Then bank monetize debts, finance to government, because government needs more capital for the infrastructure development. So of course it is provided by the bank.